Oh my god, friends, this car is so dirty, and I have to clean it because I don't even have $1, and my mom needs treatment. She's in the hospital, and her treatment costs $10,000. So today, I'm cleaning this car, hoping my boss will give me $10,000 so I can get my mom the treatment she needs.
Dad, you're putting in so much effort washing the car for Grandma's treatment, and these people still aren't liking your video? It's really unfair.
Haha, poor dad and girl. No matter how much you beg, no one's going to like your video.
Sir, it's not like that. The good people will definitely like and subscribe, even if they don't need to. Hey friends, if you truly love your mom, please like, subscribe, and send a red heart for my